Hi, we are Team Vade Labs and we have built Vade Studio, an all-in-one SaaS app builder that doesn't restrict you by your ability to code, and Gemini gives it superpowers. In Studio, you can build any app in 3 simple steps. Starting with a blank app, you can create your UI with drag and droppable components that are built on Radix UI, making them accessible to everyone, even the specially able. Next, likewise for schema modeling, you can just choose from any of these integrations and add them to your app without going through all their documentations. And once you connect your data sources, chain their APIs together and automate your workflows. And it really gets overpowered with Gemini in the mix. For today's demonstration, we have a very special use case for you. We all know how converting landing pages drives sales. Up until now, this is decided by the static copywriting that your website displays. Today, we are going to use Gemini in Vade Studio to create a landing page that shows a personalized copy of your website to every individual based on their demographies. We have built the existing Gemini landing page with a drag and drop in Studio. You could build your own in a matter of minutes. It will be responsive out of the box. Let's make this dynamic. We'll simply add the Gemini integration into our app. Give it a Gemini key and authenticate. Next, we pull up the Gemini API into our workflow. We want to generate content. Now, for your prompts, we have got you a cookbook. Today, we're looking for hero section optimizer. This comes along with a ready-made recipe or system prompt for the model. Currently, it specializes in analyzing the UTM parameters to create a custom title and subtitle for the user. Let's connect them all up. This looks great. So let's directly head on to our UI. We'll connect our static title to the data from our workflow, replacing the static text with our variable title. We'll do the same with the subtitle. Now let's see this in action. The UTM parameters compose the URL of the page. So let's say a user comes from LinkedIn and they were searching for AI tool with a large token size. So this is what their URL would look like. And when different people with their own URLs come to the page, they also get another custom version of the page depending on the user demography. And there's still a lot more you can do with Vade Studio, supercharged by Gemini. You could change the media, content, color palettes, and with just a prompt, you could also have it generate this whole UI by a JSON output parsed to our JSON to UI component. And it all deploys in a single click. So whether you are a budding entrepreneur, a founder with a small team, or just a local business owner with no knowledge of building apps or websites, you can build a dynamic website like this or your very own app with all of front-end, back-end, infrastructure, and monitoring in one place without code with Gemini on Studio. We'd love to see what you dream with it, so get on out there and start building.